everybody, welcome to Air Gaming 160. Today I'll be opening 2 Kinder Eggs from Halloween. Okay, so let's face it today. Where's it? Where's it? There it is. Okay, so here's the Kinder Egg. Okay, so let's start to open. Can you guys see it? Okay. Oh shoot, here it is. This way. Okay, let's open it up. Here we got our 2 Kinder Eggs, and these are for Halloween, so let's get them open. But first, let's start off with this one. Chocolate. I'm just eating the chocolate. Okay, let's open it. Okay, we got this. Let's see it. Stickers. Okay, let's open this one now, guys. So, we need this, and let's test it out when we're done. Okay, let's put the sticker on, guys. So here it is, and let's just test it out. Oh, it's a jumper. You want to see a jump? Oopsies, guys. Get this way. Ooh. Okay. Okay, you're ready for a second Kinder Egg. Let's open it up. Open it. Let's open. Okay, let's see. It's the same. But I'll give it to my sister, the other one. Okay, bounce it. Where's the other one? Okay, guys, we're done. I'll see you in my next video of Kinder Eggs. It's going to be next week. I'm going to be opening a giant Kinder Egg, medium size. It's going to be Halloween Kinder Egg. I'll show a monster on it, and it's going to be very big. So I'll see you guys later. Just wanted to say bye. Well, my sister's not here today, but I'll see you guys later in my next video with my big surprise egg. Oopsies, what happened with my big surprise egg? It's going to be Halloween big surprise fun. So, I'll see you in my next surprise. Bye.